If you think posting on Instagram will get you clients, you are doing social media wrong. Content doesn't create sales. And I know that's going to shock you. I know you've been told differently. I know all the gurus are telling you just post your Canva quotes and it'll work. But content doesn't create sales. It creates trust. And if you're not using that trust in the sales process, then you are just a hamster spinning your wheels. My name is Don Markland. I'm the co-CEO of Numi.com, and I'm my own business coach. At Accountability Now, I own that company, and we help businesses all over the world. And we work with coaches, helping them build profitable, real practices. And today, I'm walking you through what actually works on social media, because I know it matters. Because posting alone and putting those quotes up there, it's not going to get you leads. But there is a system that will. So let's talk about it. Here's the lie that coaches have been told and they believe about social media. Most coaches believe if they just post enough, the leads are going to come through. They think if I just go viral, my calendar is going to be full. I just got to get a viral video. But here's the truth. Content doesn't drive sales. It builds authority. Every post, every video, every story, it tells an audience that you're already connected to, by the way, that I know what I'm doing. But trust isn't the same as action. And that's why you need a sales process, not just a social media feed. Content is great, but you need a little bit more. Content does not equal clients. Now, let's talk about how to use social media to get leads, because everyone wants to know that. And you should. Content doesn't equal leads, like I said, but ads can. If you want leads, run ads, period. Social media platforms reward paid visibility. That's how you reach new people. Remember how social media algorithms work. You are connected to the people in your feed. And when you push great content, that's your reach. And yes, you can expand out of that reach, usually temporarily. But it is very difficult and very slow to expand out of that. And you do expand out of it over time. But though, to build actual leads, you need to run paid visibility. That's how you push your content in front of people outside of your reach. Organic content, really simply, builds trust. Paid ads brings reach and new leads. And you need both, just in the right order. So stop drowning in the social media or Canva abyss. If you ever feel like you're posting nonstop and getting nothing back, that's called the social media abyss, where your energy goes to die. You don't need to do more Canva quotes. You don't need to do more carousels and think it's really clever, or go to ChatGPT and do this and think you're doing something unique. Here's the fix. Number one, pick one platform and dominate. Win on one platform. That's what we did. We chose one platform and we decided to win on it at all costs. Even though, yes, we use a tool that allows us to publish our content everywhere, we want to win on one platform, and that's it. And focus all your energy winning on one platform. And then do everything you can do to learn the metrics, the content, and the strategy of winning on that platform. So, for example, we have a whole machine at Accountability Now where we do 2 videos and 1 static image post every single day on Instagram. That's 3 pieces of content every single day. Our shoot schedule is Tuesdays and Thursdays. We do 10 short form videos every Tuesday and 10 every Thursday, and then we edit them, plus the 5 long form videos for YouTube. We are a content machine. And why am I bringing that up? Because even with this content machine, we're posting that schedule 365 days a year. We still aren't driving high amounts of leads from that content machine, because like I said, content produces trust. Ads produce leads. When someone books a call with us, they've already seen our face, they've heard our message, and it helps us in the sales process. That's the power of authority. It softens objections. It speeds up sales. It turns I'm not sure into, God, how do I get started? And so as you are building your coaching practice, approach social media the right way. Don't listen to what they're telling you in practitioner school or at the certification mills. Approach it the right way. Social media is amazing, and it can help you get your voice and your content out there. But posting alone won't bring you clients. Ads will. But ads without content won't bring trust. You need both. And that's your flywheel. If you're tired of crossing your fingers every time you hit post, that's called the post and hope strategy. It's time to shift your strategy. Build authority and get that going. Then maybe run some ads. Build a process that brings leads on purpose, not by luck. That's what works. Stop hoping and start building. If this was helpful, continue to subscribe, leave your comments below. And I look forward to talking to you more and helping more, all you coaches out there here on the channel.